Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my t-shirts, and I'm pretty much going to walk you through the entire process, show you some of the materials I use, and then finally the end product. Alright, let's get going! Here are my materials in no specific order: my Epson SureColor F170 sublimation printer, my t-shirt guide, HTV Ront sublimation paper, my Cricut heat mat, Cricut heat press, Cricut Explorer 2, heat resistant tape, HTV Ront sublimation HTV, specifically for white or light colored fabrics, Bella & Canvas white t-shirt, and butcher paper. Next is my process. First, I print out my design on my sublimation printer. Then I move it to my Cricut Explorer to cut out the design. After cutting the vinyl, here comes the tricky part with essentially taping the vinyl first to my t-shirt so that I can properly align it. And then once it's aligned, I then place my heat press on it and press on it about medium to hard pressure for about 15 to 20 seconds on 360 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, I let it cool for about maybe about a couple minutes or so, because it's supposed to be a cold peel. And once it's peeled, then I can start aligning my sublimation paper that I cut out previously on it. And like before, I make sure to tape my sublimation paper nicely along that vinyl underneath it. Once everything is perfectly or as closely as aligned as possible, then I put my butcher paper on top and press. And instead of 15 to 20 seconds, I'll do 40 to 45 seconds with that same 360 degrees Fahrenheit heat. After 40 to 45 seconds, then I take off my heat press, turn it off, and immediately start peeling off that sublimation paper. This is a warm peel or hot peel, so you want to make sure to do it right away, or else it could like bleed or something. I've never tried it before, so I honestly don't know, but yeah, you don't want any ghosting or anything. This t-shirt is Bella & Canvas, and the material, if you're familiar with that brand, is really nice. It's super soft. It's not like thin at all, nor is it very thick. I feel like it's a nice in between. I know it's hard to see, but I'm stretching this and it's holding up. So y'all saw how I made it. Once you have your materials and getting that vinyl and the actual sublimation paper on it, this is the final product. We did it. I'm so happy. Yeah, it turned out really, really nicely. I'm gonna wear this for you here in a little bit. Alright, and here's a model of me wearing the shirt. This is a size small, by the way. Like a little bit of a bagginess, like a looseness, then I would recommend getting one size up. This is it. This is the shirt on me. You can see that it's nice and vibrant, definitely comfortable. If you have any questions or want to know more about like the specifics of my process, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, stay sweet and spicy. Bye.